morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Toman again. We're back to Fundations, where we're going to learn the letter names, the sounds they make, and how to write the letters. So let's review the first 3 letters we've already learned this week. The first letter is T, top, T. Okay, let's play the echo game. T, top, T. Good. T, top, T. One more time. T, top, T. Very good. The next letter is B. B, bat, B. B, bat, B. B, bat, B. One more time. B, bat, B. Great. The last one is F, fun, F. F, fun, F. F, fun, F. One more time. F, fun, F. Okay, so for this next activity, you're going to need your writing grid. You're going to need your dry erase marker, and you're going to need your eraser. Okay, boys and girls, now it's time for writing our letters. So the first letter we're going to practice writing is the letter T. T, top, T. Now, when you write, make sure you have the nice pencil grip like you've seen in the video. You use your thumb and your index finger and you pinch it and you lay it on your finger here. I'm going to take the cap off my marker. Now, boys and girls, I want you to just watch for a moment. When you do the T, it is a skyline letter. So you're going to start on the skyline and you're going to draw a line straight down to the grass line. You're going to pick up your marker. You're going to start at the plane line and go across like this. T, top, T. Okay, you can erase it again and let's try it together. What letter makes the T sound? That's right, it is T. So T is a skyline letter. You start on the skyline, go straight down to the grass line, pick up your marker, start at the plane line, cross it over, go across the plane line. T, top, T. One more time. Start at the skyline, you go down to the grass line. You pick up your marker and cross at the plane line. T, top, T. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to give you a sound and you're going to tell me what letter makes that sound. Are you ready? B. That's right, boys and girls. B makes the B sounds. So, B is a skyline letter. When you write the letter B, you start your marker on the skyline. Now you draw your line straight down to the grass line. You trace back up to the plane line and give your B a belly to the grass line. B, bat, B. Let's try it again. You start on the grass line. Don't forget your pencil grip. Draw a straight line down to the grass line. You trace back up to the plane line. You stop at the plane line. And then you give your B a belly to the grass line. Have that belly sit on the grass. B, bat, B. Let's try that one more time. So you're going to start on the skyline. And then you're going to trace down to the grass line. You're going to trace back up to the plane line. And you're going to give your B a belly to the grass line. B, bat. B. That's how I always can tell that's a B, because it has a belly on it. A guy is standing this way. Here, look. And he's got a belly. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to give you one more sound, and you're going to tell me the letter. The sound is F. That's right, boys and girls. F makes the F sound. F, fun. So F is also a skyline letter. When you do the F, you start on the skyline. You go back a little bit and then down to the grass line. And you take your marker and you cross on the plane line. Look at the direction the plane's going. That's the way you're going to have your marker go. F, fun, F. Let's try it again. You start on the skyline, you fly backwards and then down to the grass line. You lift your marker up and you fly on the plane line. F, fun, F. One more time. You're going to start on the skyline. You go down to the grass line. You pick your marker up and you go to the plane line and you fly on the plane line. F, fun, F. Okay, boys and girls, that is all for today from Fundations. What I would like is for you to send me a picture of you writing the T, B, and F correctly. And don't forget to put your cap on your marker and put your materials away. Okay, I'll see you soon. Great job.